guys, this is Sarah V from ChainEX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be showing you all the possible ways to track your open support tickets on ChainEX. Once you have logged your support ticket, the ChainEX support team will send you an email. Open your mailbox for the email from the ChainEX support team. This email will contain a unique reference number that you will need to quote any and every time you interact with the support team. In the email, click on View this ticket's progress online. And from this point on, you can track the progress of the support ticket you just logged. You can also track your progress directly from the ChainEX support portal, which is support.chainex.io. The link can also be found in the description. Click on Check Ticket Status. Enter the email address that was used to log the support ticket. Enter your ticket number. If you're not sure what your ticket number is, you can find it in the email that was sent from the ChainEX support team over here. Click on Email Access link. The ChainEX support team will then send you an access link where you can review and track the progress of your support ticket. The best possible way to track your ChainEX support tickets is to simply register a free account on the ChainEX support portal. You can do so by choosing one of the following two methods. Method 1. Navigate to the sign-in page or the Check Ticket Status page on the ChainEX support portal. Click on Create an account or Register for an account. Fill out the registration form. Click on Register. Navigate to the email address used to register your account and confirm your email address. Your account will now be registered. Method 2. After you've logged your support ticket, open your email box. Over there you'll find an email from the ChainEX support team. In the email, click on View this ticket's progress online. Click on Register for an account, fill out the registration form, click on Register. Open the email box that was used to register your account where you'll be prompted to confirm your email address. Your account will now be registered. By registering for a free account on the support portal, you can log into the support portal at any time and keep track of any and all of your support tickets, old and new. And there you have it, how to track your open support tickets on ChainEX. Before you go, you're probably enjoying your ChainEX experience, right? So much so that you can't help but tell your friends about it. Did you know that you could get paid just for telling your friends about ChainEX? If you head over to the referrals page over here, you can find your unique personal referral link. If your friend signs up to ChainEX using your link, you'll get paid a percentage of the trading fees every single time they make a trade. It's a win-win situation for everyone. For more information regarding the ChainEX referral program and how you can earn, please watch this video over here. Thanks guys for watching our tutorial video. If you like this tutorial video, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and please feel free to comment below. See you guys in the next one.